Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Nandita. Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. It's a brand new day, but the same old question, what to make for tiffin today? Which is why some of India's most loved chefs are bringing to you 200 new recipes for 200 school days. Today we are going to make Chatpata Aloo Roll. It's very handy for the kids to eat this and it's also super easy to make in the morning. तो आओ देखें कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन। So let's start making the Chatpata Aloo Rolls. So we'll start by heating up some oil in a pan. So the oil is hot now. I'm going to add a little bit of jeera or cumin seeds. So the jeera is starting to crackle. I'm just going to quickly saute some carrots, a little bit of bell peppers, all three colors. You can use whatever you have at home, and a little bit of green peas as well. So after sauteing this just for 2 minutes, I'm going to add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup here. This gives that chatpata flavor to the rolls. So quickly to the ketchup, we're going to add some of the dry masalas. This is some Amchur, some haldi or turmeric, some dhania powder, coriander powder, and salt. So we'll quickly mix all this up together. And to this, I'm going to add the cubed potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit more of the ketchup just to give it that coat of, chatpata flavor. So as you can see, the potatoes have got this nice coating of masalas, and you can see the slight red color from the ketchup as well. It's looking good. Just a minute or so and then we are ready to roll. So for a final touch of freshness, I'm going to add some finely chopped coriander. Let's just give this a last mix. So to prepare the rolls, we have some rotis here which we have made from multigrain flour. You can also make these with a mix of atta and soya flour, or adding a little bit of besan to just improve the protein content of the flour. So I'm going to lay out this roti, and so if you note, I'm adding it on the bottom half. I'm not spreading it all through the roti so that it's easier to make a tight roll which your kid can easily hold and eat for lunch. So the way to roll it is, first close the sides here, bring the two sides together, close the bottom part, and then just close it like this. So we are ready to pack this in our tiffin. And we are going to add some pistas and some watermelon balls. So I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, like and share our video, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.